Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to math class. Today, we're going to be working on page 144 in your math workbook, thinking about fours. So grab your math workbook, a pencil, and a growth mindset, and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I want you to think about is when we're thinking about fours, what comes in fours? Well, we know that we'll have things like we have 2 arms and 2 legs, right? Those comes in twos. What about animals? Animals can have 4 legs. Yeah. Chairs have 4 legs. So I'm just going to make a little chart right here on my paper. Things that have 4. Things that come in fours. ... Okay, so we know animal legs, legs on a chair, let's think. Can we think of anything else? What comes in fours? Lots of things come in fours. So as you find things that come in fours, or if you can think of something else, maybe you can go ahead and add it. I'm going to add in cupcakes because Miss Cheryl loves cupcakes, and you can buy fancy cupcakes in sets of 4. Oh, and the dots on a domino. Domino dots. Okay, that was just us being silly. So now, because this is our fantastic 4, so we're not going to do this. We're doing our own little chart here of things that come in 4. So just go ahead and just draw us a line through that. And we're going to actually write a 4 song. So first write the word Mary, then write had a little 4. Mary had a little 4. So this is to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So now all you have to do is write the numbers of your 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. And then I want you to write the word Mary again. Had, ... and then write 40. Then write the word lambs. And I'll give you a second to get caught up. After 40, you're going to write 44, 48. So as you're writing that, I'm going to go ahead and sing it for you. We didn't write every word. There are some words like and that we'll put in there, and I'll try to catch myself when I say them and write them down for you. Mary had a little 4. So we kind of swoops in here. Mary had a little 4, 8, and 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28, 32, 36. Mary had 40 lambs, 44, 48. So then when you are singing this, you'll be able to use your hands. Let's go back up now. And I'm going to put my hands under the screen so you can see. Mary had a little 4, 8 and 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28, 32, 36. Mary had 40 lambs, 44, 48. So if you can remember that Mary had 40 lambs, the number that comes right before it is 36. Sometimes that helps because 4 times 9 is a tricky one for littles. 44 obviously is the same as 4 times 11. So 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9. 4 times 10, 4 times 11, 4 times 12. Now, if you can't remember 4 times 12, you can say Mary had 40 lambs, 44, 48, and then it'll just, there it is in your brain, okay? So now we're actually going to go through our next section. It says, draw a line from each question on the left to the matching expression on the right, then write the answer to each. James saw 6 cars in the parking lot. How many wheels were on the cars? 6 cars in the parking lot. How many wheels? So that would be 6 cars with 4 wheels on each. So 6 groups of 4. So I'm going to find 6 groups of 4. And I'm just going to go here. And we know that 6 times 4. Mary had a little 4, 8 and 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28, 32, 36. Mary had 40 lambs, 44, 48. Sometimes it's hard for me to stop singing, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. Now let's look at the next one. Jenny went to the pet shop to visit little rabbits. When she looked into the rabbit pen, she saw 12 legs. How many rabbits? Well, there's 12 legs, and we know that rabbits have how many legs? Well, animals have 4 legs, so it would be 12 in all. So that's the same as 4 times what? Or you can think about it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to what? So how many equal sets of 4 can you make until you get to 12? So you can look back at your song. 1, 2, 3. So there must have been 3 rabbits in the pen. So look and see. Where do you see 12 divided by 4? Right here. 12 divided by 4. And the answer is 3. The kindergartners at our school have 5 little red wagons to use on the playground. How many wheels? So there are 5 red wagons, and red wagons have 4 wheels. So 5 times 4. Oh, I just thought of something else up here. Wheels. Wheels on a car. On cars or on wagons. Okay, so as you think of more things, we can just add to it. So 5 groups of 4 is 20. Mary had a little 4, 8 and 12, 16, 20. So I'm going to put 20 right here, and then I'm going to swoop it up. When Jeff went to the farm to visit the new piglets, he saw 16 little legs in the pig pen. How many piglets? So 16 legs in all, divided into sets of 4, must be what? Or you can think about multiplication. 4 times what is equal to 16? So you're going to think about it. Mary had a little 4, 8 and 12, 16. So the answer is 4. Next one. Lori went to the skateboard park with 6 of her friends. They all brought their skateboards. Skateboards have 4 wheels. So 6 groups of 4 is how many wheels in all? 6 groups of 4. I feel like we must have done something wrong. This one says, this one's 6 times 4. Oh, Lori went to the skate park with 6 of her friends. They all. So Lori plus her 6 friends. So I'm going to change my 6 to a 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 28. was tricky. I'm glad I looked and read carefully. Sarah and Max went for a walk and saw 20 dog legs. How many dogs did they see? Dogs have 4 legs. 20 legs into 4 equal groups, and we get 5. 20 into 4 is 5. You can also use multiplication to solve this. 4 times 5 is 20. All right, friends, that's all that we have on this. So hopefully that made sense to you. Feel free to go back and listen to the song, practice your math facts, and learn a lot. Bye, friends.